Financial joy, banish debt, grow your money and unlock financial freedom in 10 weeks, written by Ken Okoroafor and Mary Okoroafor, summarized by audiobooks you love. Imagine waking up each day without the heavy weight of debt dragging you down. Picture yourself growing your wealth steadily, feeling confident about your financial future, and truly unlocking the freedom to live life on your terms. What if I told you that, in just 10 weeks, you could make this vision a reality? That's exactly what Ken Okoroafor offers in his transformative book, Financial Joy. Banish debt, grow your money and unlock financial freedom in 10 weeks. This book isn't just about getting out of debt or saving a little money. It's about completely changing the way you think about money and giving you a clear, actionable plan to achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we're going to break down the key lessons from Ken's 10-week program and show you exactly how you can start taking control of your finances today, whether you're struggling with debt, feeling overwhelmed by money management, or just looking to build wealth more effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint to banish debt, grow your savings, and unlock the financial freedom you deserve. So let's dive in. Week 1. Setting the foundation. Understanding your current financial situation. Before diving into budgeting, saving, and investing, Ken Okoroafor starts with something that's absolutely crucial to your financial journey: understanding where you currently stand financially. Many people avoid facing their financial situation because it's overwhelming or uncomfortable. But the first step in achieving financial freedom is to take an honest look at your finances. And that means tracking your income, expenses, debts, and assets. In the first week, Ken emphasizes the importance of knowing exactly how much you owe and what you're earning. This can be eye-opening for many people. He encourages readers to write down every debt they have, no matter how big or small, and calculate the total monthly outgoings. From here, you can clearly see where your money is going and, more importantly, where you can make changes. By gaining clarity, you'll start the journey to financial freedom with a clear understanding of your financial reality. Ken also advises you to identify your money mindset. Do you view money with fear or scarcity, or do you see it as a tool to achieve freedom and joy? Shifting your mindset is critical for long-term financial success. Week 2. Banish debt. Tackling the debt monster. Debt is a major obstacle for so many people, preventing them from moving forward financially. In Week 2, Ken teaches you how to banish debt once and for all. He outlines a powerful, step-by-step approach to paying off debt that not only tackles the financial burden, but also empowers you to take control. Ken introduces the debt avalanche and debt snowball methods. The debt avalanche method involves paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, saving you more money in the long run. Alternatively, the debt snowball method encourages you to pay off the smallest debt first for quick wins, which can provide a psychological boost. Ken doesn't dictate one method over the other, but instead encourages you to choose the one that will work best for your motivation and personality. Regardless of which method you choose, the key here is consistency. Ken stresses that small, consistent steps, like paying more than the minimum payment each month or cutting back on unnecessary expenses, will make a significant impact over time. His goal is to help you eliminate debt so you can free up resources for investing and growing your wealth. Week 3. Building your financial foundation. Budgeting and managing money. In Week 3, Ken focuses on building a strong financial foundation through budgeting and managing your money effectively. Budgeting doesn't have to be about restriction or deprivation. It's about allocating your money with intention. Ken walks you through a simple, practical budgeting system that helps you track where your money is going each month. One of the key tools he suggests is the 50/30/20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to essential living expenses, like rent and bills. 30% goes towards your wants and discretionary spending, like dining out, entertainment, etc., and 20% goes towards savings and debt repayment. This rule is easy to follow and helps you stay disciplined without feeling like you're depriving yourself. The main idea in this week is to ensure that every pound or dollar you earn is accounted for and directed towards your goals. Ken also introduces the concept of automatic payments, automating your savings and bill payments so that you don't miss a payment or forget to save. This makes money management easy, effective, and stress-free. Week 4. Mastering Savings. The importance of building an emergency fund. In Week 4, Ken stresses the importance of having a solid savings plan, starting with building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and one of the best ways to avoid financial stress is to have a safety net in place for those unexpected situations, whether that's car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. Ken recommends that you aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This is your emergency fund. The goal here is to put money aside in a way that protects you from going into debt if something unexpected happens. To make saving easier, Ken encourages you to set up automatic transfers to a savings account, just like with your bills. This removes the temptation to spend money that should be saved, and over time, you'll build up that emergency fund without even thinking about it. Week 5. Growing your money. Smart investing strategies. Once you've tackled debt and built an emergency fund, it's time to think about how you can grow your money. In Week 5, Ken introduces the basics of investing, something many people find intimidating. But, as Ken explains, investing is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth over time. Ken emphasizes the importance of long-term investing and how compound interest can work in your favor. He recommends starting with index funds, which are low-cost, diversified portfolios that offer broad market exposure and have historically delivered strong returns. Ken also highlights the importance of starting early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Ken breaks down the investment options available to you, including ISAs, individual savings accounts, pensions, and other tax-efficient ways to grow your wealth. He encourages readers to choose the investment vehicle that aligns with their financial goals and risk tolerance. Week 6. Building Wealth, Creating Multiple Streams of Income. In Week 6, Ken takes things up a notch by focusing on how to create multiple streams of income. One of the best ways to fast-track your financial freedom is to diversify your income sources. Don't just rely on one paycheck. Ken talks about the importance of developing side hustles or passive income streams, such as starting a blog, building an online business, or investing in real estate. He also encourages readers to leverage their skills, whether it's freelance work, consulting, or teaching online, so that they can earn money outside of their regular job. The key takeaway in Week 6 is that financial freedom isn't just about earning money. It's about learning how to grow your wealth through different avenues. By increasing your income streams, you'll accelerate your ability to build wealth. Week 7. Financial Mindset. Overcoming Limiting Beliefs. In Week 7, Ken focuses on shifting your financial mindset. Many people are held back by limiting beliefs about money, whether it's the idea that wealth is for other people or the fear that you'll never be able to achieve financial freedom. Ken teaches you how to transform your beliefs about money by confronting and challenging negative thoughts. He stresses the importance of having a growth mindset, one where you believe that you can learn, grow, and become financially successful. This week also focuses on developing financial discipline, the ability to make smart money decisions consistently. Ken showed you how to set goals, track your progress, and stay motivated, even when the road gets tough. Week 8. Creating a financial plan, setting and achieving your goals. In Week 8, Ken walks you through the process of creating a personal financial plan, a roadmap that aligns with your financial goals and helps you stay on track. This plan includes setting clear, achievable financial goals for the short, medium, and long term, and breaking those goals down into actionable steps. Ken emphasizes the importance of reviewing your financial plan regularly and adjusting it as your circumstances change. This is about making sure your money is working for you and staying focused on your goals, no matter what challenges arise. Week 9. Protecting your wealth, insurance and estate planning. In Week 9, Ken discusses protecting your wealth through proper insurance and estate planning. This includes life insurance, health insurance, and making sure your family is protected in case of an emergency. Ken also talks about creating a will and ensuring that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. While it may seem like something you don't need to think about yet, it's crucial for long-term financial peace of mind. Week 10. Financial freedom, achieving your dreams. Finally, in Week 10, Ken brings everything together, helping you understand how to achieve financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't just about money. It's about having the time, resources, and peace of mind to live life on your terms. Ken encourages readers to continue following the steps they've learned and stay committed to their financial goals. With the tools and strategies from the previous weeks, you now have the foundation to build a future of financial security, joy, and freedom. Conclusion. And that's a wrap on Financial Joy by Ken Okoroafor. In just 10 weeks, you can banish debt, grow your wealth, and unlock financial freedom. By following Ken's simple, actionable steps, you'll be well on your way to living the life you've always dreamed of, financially free and in control. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos on personal finance. Also, if you're ready to dive deeper into the journey to financial freedom, grab a copy of Financial Joy and get started on your 10-week transformation today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.